Okay, so first thing, hopefully you know Pythagorean theorem looks like this. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so first thing you do need to know is wherever the right angle is, right across from that, that's always the c. Okay, so I'm going to fill in the 15 squared right there. The other two sides, you can call the a or the b. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to put 9 squared plus b squared equals 15 squared. Okay, my next step, I'm going to square 9. 9 times 9 is 81 plus b squared equals 15 squared. I just got to type that in on my calculator quick. Is 225. Okay, now I kind of draw my line down. Solve it like an equation. I'm going to subtract 81 from both sides. That cancels. I get b squared equals 144. And then your last step is you have to square root both sides, and you end up with b equals the square root of 144 is 12. Okay, so now I'm going to come label that on my picture. Now, this could be what your issue was. The question says, what is the perimeter? That means I need to add all the way around the outside. Perimeter means add this side plus this side plus this side. So if it's asking for the perimeter, I have to add 12 plus 9 plus 15. And I end up with 36. So my final answer that I would type in for IXL is 36. Okay, I'll do one more. So again, remember, right across from the right angle, that's always your C. The other two sides are the A and the B. So I'm going to write A squared plus B squared equals C squared. I'll take my A, which I called 8. So I'll do 8 squared plus 15 squared equals, this time my hypotenuse is the C, so I'll just call it C squared. All right, 8 squared is 64 plus 15 squared is 225. And then it says equals C squared. Now I'm going to add 225 plus 64. And I end up with 289 equals C squared. My last step here is you have to square root both sides, and you get C equals the square root of 289 which is 17. So this side over here is 17. Now again, it's asking me for the perimeter, so I need to add all my sides. So I need to add 15 plus 8 plus 17. And I end up with 40, so that's my final answer for my perimeter, 40. Okay, so I just did 2 quick examples. Let me know if that helped or not.